You buy a brand new car, and 5 minutes later, you accidentally back it into a brick wall. In a split second, your rear bumper shatters into jagged pieces. Under normal circumstances, that impact results in an expensive trip to the mechanic. But there is a version of this story where the repair costs exactly $0 and requires no professional labor. This possibility relies on advanced materials that can fix themselves overnight, effectively removing the human mechanic from the equation. The high cost of a collision involves the repair shop's labor, but the underlying issue is a specific limitation in the design of modern materials. Most automotive plastics and metals are held together by rigid, inflexible chemical bonds. When an impact occurs, the kinetic force rips those bonds apart at the molecular level. Once these connections are severed, they cannot naturally reestablish themselves. They are effectively dead. This microscopic failure is what creates the visible, permanent crack in your car's body panel. Since the material cannot heal, the broken component becomes waste and must be replaced entirely. Traditional engineering relies on this model of disposable permanence. Once the structure is compromised, the damage is final. Material scientists have developed an alternative, a class of smart polymers built with a different chemical architecture. Instead of using permanent static connections, these materials are engineered with dynamic, reversible molecular bonds. In a collision, the impact still forces the molecules apart, creating a physical gap. However, because these bonds are reversible, the molecules don't lose their ability to reconnect when they are separated. The material reacts to the structural damage, making the edges of the fracture chemically active. These active edges then begin to seek out their original molecular partners across the break. The material shifts into an active system that can respond directly to its own destruction. At the microscopic level, the crack is a massive canyon. The material bridges the gap using molecular magnetic attraction, with broken edges reaching across. This process is fueled by time and environmental catalysts, like the ambient heat from the sun. As the molecules latch onto each other, they pull the sides of the canyon back together, sealing the fracture in a continuous wave. Using molecular magnetism and solar energy, the polymer completes its own repair without any outside intervention. By the following morning, the shattered area has fused back together, restoring the structural integrity of the bumper. This restoration occurs without human effort, specialized tools, or any financial cost to the driver. If these materials can autonomously repair the microstresses that usually lead to degradation, car body panels could remain viable for a century. Addressing the problem of structural decay changes the expected life cycle of modern transportation. This durability would lead to a significant decrease in the volume of plastic waste sent to landfills. There are also safety implications, as the material can fix invisible fractures before they lead to a total structural failure. This shift toward autonomous molecular repair alters the basic requirements of automotive manufacturing and maintenance. The most effective mechanic of the future is the engineered design of the molecules themselves.